Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eddy from our Studio Works, and today in this video we are gonna continue with adding screens to the Figma project. So I have most of the screens needed for like the basic functionality, like the main functionality of the application, which is from this one, like the main page, the layouts that people can choose, the websites they want to build from, the forms to put in the details, the preview as well. And so today I'm gonna add the less important screens like the logins, the plans, etc. So all these are going to be important in a way that this will put it like in a definite way I want it to happen. For example, I don't want anyone to be required to log in to start working on a website. Like, I want them to be able to preview a website without being logged in. Like, I think that will be like removing a lot of hurdles for anybody trying to use this application. Like, you just go to the website, go to the application and start filling in your details and have a preview without even being asked to log in or put in any credit card details or choose any plans like that. So let us get started. So what I will have is like all these should be available to anybody who is not logged in, but then if you want to publish that website, then you will need to create an account and choose a plan, because publishing the website will not be free. You can only preview it for free. So let's get this done. So I'll just make a copy of this one here. So this will require you, like, once you're ready to click on the publish button, it will check if you're logged in or not. And then if you're not logged in, it will ask you to either log in or create an account. So I can So I'll get these components from here. Get one for the username. put in some text here for the login. So here ask the user if they want to create an account if they don't have one. Move this button right there, that's for the login. We'll also have the options to log in using Gmail. But this is something I need to think about, like, do I really need it or not? Like, we'll see later. So if somebody doesn't have an account, we'll just create an account for them. So I'll just copy this whole page. I'll just leave this as my app. It's probably gonna have the logo in there. So here we'll just create the account. And here we'll say already have an account. Alright, this is done. So once somebody either logs in or creates an account, we need to present them with the plans available for the payments. So we'll put that on another page. For here, I'm thinking about using some cards. I think one of these will do. So I'll just put some kind of fictional price in there for now. So here I'll give like all the details for this plan. So for example, I can have like one website, access to pro templates. Like I haven't decided the terms yet, but these are just for sure right now. Custom domains, for example. Or maybe give it the name of the plan. I'm not sure yet. I think for right now I'll just have one plan. Something that I'll probably change in the future with a higher level plan for some, I don't know, like more websites or something like that. I'll just leave these as default for now. Okay, so then we have the plans, and then probably a button here. I still haven't worked out on the colors, but kind of like this teal color here, so I might use it in the future. So yeah, once somebody chooses the plan, then they will have the ability to publish the website. So let me quickly go and prototype and try to wire this up and see what happens. So step 1 goes to this one. Step 2 takes you to fill in the details. Preview takes you to this screen, and then publish will either take you to the login page, or we could create an account if needed. This one goes back to the screen. Both login and create the account will take you to the plans. So once we choose the plan, it should show us like the complete website which has been published. So let me copy this one here. So I'll change this to the live website. Remove this button here for now. Alright, let's see what we got. So click on the present button. So this will be the home screen. So as soon as somebody puts in the URL for the application, you'll be presented with this web page, and then so we start going to step 1, choose the layout. I'm not sure why these are not showing here. Step 2. That's so weird. So I figured out why this was not working. So what happened was, like, these items were outside of the frame. So like this. So what I needed to do is just put it back into each frame and just make sure that everything was inside the frame. So now if we go to preview, oops, choose this screen here, click on preview. There we go. So this will be the home page. It will probably have some other designs on it and some kind of a nicer background. So if we click on step 1, it will take us to the layouts that we want to choose for the websites. So once we select one of those and click on step 2, we will fill in all the details about the business. More details, probably like a background picture, some services available for the business, about us, and call to action text and a tagline probably. So then we click on preview, we'll have the preview of the website. But if we click on publish, it will depend if we are logged in, if we have an account created. So if we're not logged in, it will take us to the login screen. If we don't have an account, we can select to create an account. So once we create the account, it will take us to the plan screen, so we can choose a plan. So for now we only have one plan. I'll probably add more plans there later on. So once we choose the plan, it is going to publish the live website. I will probably put in the URL here, so somebody who wants to click on the URL itself outside of the application can just go there, or maybe I'll just direct it to the website itself instead of showing it inside the app. And maybe I'll put in like a shareable link or something on social media. These are all improvements I can make to the application. But for now, I think this will do for all the screens that I need to code. So I'll do that starting in the next video, unless I have some more modifications I want to make on the designs for Figma. But I think I have an idea like what I want the application to do right now. It's just a matter of starting to code all these screens into Angular. Since I already have some kind of template that I've been working on, probably won't need to start from scratch, so I'll start coding from there. What I do have already are these screens, like the login and the create account. Yeah, I think I'll start with those and get those hooked up with Firebase. Once these are working, I will do some kind of mock-up screens for these ones here, because I haven't fully decided about the templates that are going to be available, and what I want to do for right now is just the UI side. Like, I will be coding the backend after I'm done with the UI side. I think it's an easier way to create an application to like have the flow on the UI. I think it will help in the future, like making all the backend calls. Like, once I can visualize what the application looks like, I think it clicks more in my head, like what are the endpoints I need to make available for this application. And as I said, this is all going to be a Firebase application, so no real backend server, but using the serverless backend of Firebase. I believe this is it for this video. I kind of have like in my mind what I want to build. I will start, as I said, with the UI itself, and then from there, like once I have like the mock screens, If there is like any changes to make, I think that will be easier to make on Angular. Get everything set up properly as I want the application to be, and then I will start working on the back end and have some functions in Firebase. But more on that on coming videos. So if you want to see like more progress as I'm building this application, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button down there. Make sure you like the videos and share it to people you think this is going to be interesting to, or people trying to build their own apps, just to see like my process in building a new startup. So make sure you join me in the next video where I'll be going into more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.